from Huntsville, Alabama. I came because I've had some lab tests and they indicated that I was borderline diabetic and I had some protein within my urine. So I'm here for 10 days, and in the 10 days I've went through a few therapy sessions and cleansing processes. Here it is, the eve of me leaving, and my testimony is that I'm leaving better than when I came. Numbers are lower, weight has dropped considerably. So if I could encourage anyone to come, let me say that it's not for the faint of heart. If you desire a health that's worth living for, that I would recommend M.E.E.T Ministries to be the place to come to reboot and restart your life. The staff here is loving and they're very astute to what they do, and they walk you through it. Even in the times where you want to kind of be by yourself, to kind of wallow in you, they seem to know that what to tell you to kind of bring you out of that. So it's been a blessing to be here. I have a family member that's here, so we've known about M.E.E.T for quite a while. So just to come and experience it on this level, it's a whole different thing, but it's been a blessing. I would encourage anyone who has a true reason to come to heal, to restore their health and start again, that this is the place where you need to be, in the loving arms of the staff here at M.E.E.T Ministry Health Center. God bless.